Oo.
And then, that's why I stopped na for a while. I stopped asking for prayers eh. Kasi may respiratory system really mahina. Since I was a kid naman, I had high blood pressure pa.
Tapos, yung career downturn, ano yung tinuro sa'yo?
Humility.
Oo.
Humility. But, like I said,
Parang reality check, no?
reality check. I was too complacent. I trusted too much in my fans. I trusted too much in my public. And then, I forgot to take care of myself. I said to my children, sana when I'm old na and, you know, God forbid, I get sick and ganyan. I don't want my children to have to worry about me. So, sana if God gets me, it won't be na a lasting illness. Sana fast na. And they go, Mom, ano ba?
You can do it, no? As you could.
Exactly, and I couldn't tell them that.
Oo, yeah.
That's why it lasted so long. Dati, coffee and that was fine. So, when it happened, and then, I'm 50. So, in my 40s, I said, and then when I saw myself, said ko, I don't wanna be 50 and fat and so unfit and then you die. For what? Parang nothing. When I saw myself in my birthday show in ASAP this year, I didn't know I had gotten that big kasi hindi naman kami nagpipicture taking masyado pag nagtatago ako lagi sa likod so hindi ko nakikita yung katawan ko sa likod ng family ko pag nagpipicture. So the holidays would pass and ganyan.
This time,
No.
yes.
But
Nothing
admittedly,
sensible.
once in a while when I really need, like for the Voice Kids finals, I did a few days again of, you know, but kind of Cohen but not.
What kind of mentor? Were you strict?
Nurturing. Strict also. Like with my children. Strict. Kasi for their own good you can't, I could not be lax. I could not be too forgiving because it was for them. They weren't doing it for me. So parang if you don't do this well, you are going to screw it up and, you know, ruin your chances. And I told Antoinette, just dun sa finals na, I said, I looked at her, I said, yung 3 minuto mo sa stage na yan, yung 3 minuto na yan, ang magde-determine kung ano magiging buhay mo starting tomorrow. Pinatatanong, gusto ba niya manalo? Kasi parang kulong lang siya eh. Oo, parang okay lang sa kanila. Nang when I asked her, sabi niya, okay lang po yung manalo. Pero kung hindi po, okay na rin po basta po magkakasama kami masaya.